they wanted Atiku Abi. Some people wanted Buhari. I didn't like it. Because the problem of this country don't pass one president. I would just allow the two of them win, Atiku and Buhari. So they will rule the country with shifts, night shift and morning shift. Buhari if you do from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., then Atiku 6 p.m. till the next day. So you'll come like hospital. When the country get problem, we will know who to owe. There's no light. Okay, who was on duty? Buhari, hold him. Then after they will come there like that, and after 6 months, we'll come vote them like Big Brother. We'll put the two of them up for eviction. So anybody who votes no rich will come up for Big Brother. That's what you call it? They will rig the election. But everything, the country, I don't understand. God, we thank God, child. You're the sinner. You're not the artist. You can't be like, everybody now can't be like money can't be like HIV. Nobody increase they get them. You know, ask this guy, you get HIV? No. You get money? No. Spend the money day. Everybody is complain, wow. We thank God, the situation of everything and the fuel price of everything is going to move on to the next level in Jesus' name. Are we good? Okay, also, we have a big brother of us in the house that is having the show. Saudogo, I saw him somewhere around. Thank you very much, boss. When is the show again? June 4th. Yeah, that is the day after my birthday. That's nice. It's lovely. Wow. Wonderful. Sir, what did you say? Now, Dubai, I go now. Why you speaking in that kind of English? I went to Dubai. This my eye don't put me for trouble. You look at my eye, I'm like, all those people that have quarter past eye, Abi? Half past 4. My own is better. I saw your own, I was shocked. Your own was 12:30. What's your... You complain about my own, your own not be like this. This eye, with the price shoe, that's where they sell coats when they answer you. Yeah, not cause problem. I did Dubai, when you reach Dubai airport, like they say, look up. I look up, you see, they show black, red, they show, everybody, they show green, only my own. The guy can say, Mr. Madam, sorry, you are not going to enter the country. I say, why, sir? He said, it's showing red, it's showing red. Or do you have my problem? I say, I get, this one not there, I love for you for problem. I mean, you won't cause trouble for me. I'm not going to enter. Dubai, everything costs. Everything costs for Dubai. Fish. When they say, we'll watch fish, 175 dirham. That is 17,500 for fish. I can't tell you, man, from my country where I come from, if we pay 2.5 for fish, we won't chop up. I pay this, he said, no, it's just going to, which kind of get dance with that? God, they are useless dance now, they cause problems. Are you, I beg you, believe yourself. No, give ourselves issues. And I know when they pray anywhere, even inside play, when they pray. You know, if you sit down and play, that exit seat, you know the woman, sit down, the exit seat, they're going to tell the man, say, okay, this is an exit. Are you aware you can stay here? And the man said, please leave my phone. This plane will not crash in Jesus' name. We said, okay, I want to tell you how to open it up. Come and leave this place. I'm not warning you. Don't be a problem.
Good evening, everybody. I bring you good news. Game of Thrones have ended. Now you will hear word for this country. After all the fights, I gave everything for the throne. This country, no, only this country, person will just come with you. Yeah, you don't watch them. You never watch. You will not be like say you know they this country. You never watch them. You dey miss. You don't know Aya. You don't know Cersei Lannister. You don't know Jon Snow. Wetin happen? Your family follow for the phone. The worst part, the one when they invest in now, this country now, how robbers go enter your house, poor, they don't go ask you for money. Wait till you cook. I go shout, "Bama, or you make a back." Nigeria, ladies, please, I want to advise all the men here. If your guy tell you take me out, it's not a must. You will take them to somewhere you waste money. My brother, take them out. Take them outside. Take them to the bush where it's blowing. Out is out. One day don't come with me. Last night I used to watch on him TV. Come and take me out. I come ask again. Where would you like me to take you to? Ladies are always specific. She said, oh my gosh, take me to a cool use to tell you are my God. Now so never bring light. You just see when they pray, they dance like now my pastor the shock is happening over there. Now that guy you tell us that they don't bring light. My name is Hawk Dr. Tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you love the contestants you saw here, please put your hands together for all of them. We bring this concept here to change the face of entertainment. We are bringing some new faces. Of course, I saw my big boss in the building, Osh Bebe, was in the building. Please put your hands together for Osh Bebe. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk to you about some topics that has not really been touched in the comedy industry. I want to talk to you about marriage. Marriage is not easy. Marriage be like courtism. You know, so if you enter court, you don't feel come out, so you want to make other people come join the court. So marriage, the people when they marriage, they suffer, and when they encourage single people come and marry. Marriage is not easy. I don't like. I got married 4 years ago at the age of 27. Only 4 years of marriage. I am now 45 years. Don't old. Okay. Are you Nollywood? Are you married? Are you married? You see the way you're looking fresh? No problem. See my problem? I won't lie to you. They advise me. I just have a small money, 2015. Makara marry, you have made money marry. I don't know. See, I set up. I go marry. Before I marry, for the whole Calabar, everybody know me. I guess what? You know me. You know me. I don't know you. If I did waka, everybody they hail me for Calabar. Fine boy. They drive EOD that time. See my step. People they help me. People they help me in Baccarat. Hear my response. Help me. Yeah, peace. Help me again. What's up? But since I married, I mean my change. Now, they were kind like this. People see they help me. Help me. What I know is you. Yeah, marriage. If you can't make I have money with you, ladies and gentlemen, marriage not easy. And the thing when they cause problem for marriage, I don't understand. Toothpaste. Press her for middle, my wife first. Why did you press the toothpaste in the middle? You are a cheat. For toothpaste. Ladies and gentlemen, another thing when they give me problem for marriage, now when your wife carry belly. Each time my wife carry belly, sometimes I feel like somebody carry belly. You get one, this fire in this boy belly. My wife being tired, she don't go antenatal. She sent me go antenatal. I go join women, they do I say, God, waiting vex me pass. Sometimes I don't know. If you are married and a man, let me say hi. God be with you. I'm in the same suffering with you. Guys, my wife inside pregnancy, the kind things where she don't understand whether it happened to her. My wife for pregnancy, one day she just did 2 a.m. Say she want eat Indomie. 2 a.m. We dey stay at Jar. No Indomie there. I drive to reach Lekki phase 1, 2, 3. Go buy Indomie, come back. As I give her the Indomie, she say, who cook the Indomie? Auntie say you want chop Indomie. This is Indomie. Say no. Who cook it? I say one boy, one small boy. Say boy, where is he from? I say you know this Yoruba boy. Say no, I want chop. I go eat Indomie. I come out again, drive to 4:30. I no see anywhere to buy aboki Indomie. I come back, my wife say she go die. If she no chop aboki Indomie, she go die. Now I go wear jalabia. And it's Big guys.